So in this video we will discuss about the lasso tool. So lasso tool is also a very professional and good tool for the selection of the vectors. If you are using any other tool, just press Q on your keyboard. So Q is the keyboard shortcut key to select a lasso tool. So lasso tool can also select different vectors like this. You can create a selection like this. So now you can see we have selected two vectors, so we can delete, or we can even change the colors of those vectors. So this is very easy tool. This is just like a lasso tool we have in Photoshop that can select pixels, that can select objects in your images, and this can select different vectors in your Illustrator documents. Thank you very much for watching.